When dealing with autism, be mindful to stop sensory overload right in its tracks before it gets too much. It's very important to not have the child get caught unawares. So you suddenly switching on the TV on a loud volume, or you suddenly switching on the mixer and the child just shouting it out and getting scared and getting into a tantrum can be very, very difficult both for the parent as well as the child. So a sensory overload has to be well thought of and managed beforehand. Tell the child if you're going to switch on the mixer, or if you're going to a party with loudspeakers, prepare the kid beforehand, use headphones so that the child is comfortable. For more useful information on autism, like, subscribe and share.